Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ferret harnesses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ware Manufacturing Walk-in Vest Pet Harness. Ware Manufacturing's nylon walk-in vest pet harness is the cheapest of the products that made our list. But that doesn't mean it's short on quality or style. The cute design will be sure to attract attention wherever you and your ferret venture. This harness was designed for many types of small animals, which means it wasn't made with ferret bodies in mind. That said, for those who are the right size, ideally young and/or small ferrets, the dual closure and durable nylon will help keep a ferret safe and having fun. If your ferret won't fit in this harness, the Margelo ferret harness and leash offers similar features in a more ferret-friendly fit. An included safety bell can give you extra peace of mind. With ferret harnesses, safety bells vary from the collar-style bells many people place on their cats. When your ferret's harness has a safety bell, the bell lets you know everything is good. It's when the noise stops that you need to worry because it indicates the ferret may not be there anymore. Moving on, at number 4, we have the RYPET Small Animal Harness. It's just stinkin' cute. Each soft mesh vest-style harness is complemented on the back with a black and red checkered bow tie that helps you and your ferret step out in style. The breathable mesh material used to construct the vest-style harness has a ring that should hit most ferrets in the mid-back, which is ideal for walking. Getting the harness on and off again is quite easy, with 2 Velcro straps connecting, one in front of the forelegs and one around the torso. This does lack the dual-style latches that many other options provide, so be sure to walk your ferret a lot inside before taking this outside to ensure a snug and secure fit. At number 3, we have the GAUTERF Kitten and Puppy Universal Harness. The soft corduroy mesh material is very comfortable for ferrets, and it can also be used for other small pets as well, making it perfect for pet owners who may need to use one harness for multiple pets. The soft mesh fabric is breathable and comfortable against the ferret's body, and 2 adjustable straps make it possible to customize the fit so it's just right. This harness may take a couple of tries to successfully get around your ferret. That's because the only clasp is in the back where the leash latches on. For especially wriggly ferrets, you probably will need to move quickly in order to get it buckled. At number 2, we have the Margelo Ferret Harness and Leash. The slimmest vest-type harness we looked at, Margelo's harness is constructed of breathable cotton fabric to which Cotton Angel's wings are attached. 2 clasp buckles connect in the shoulder area and allow for adjustability, so it could be said that this harness is a hybrid between vest and H-style harnesses. Rather than clasping in the back, the buckles that secure this harness clasp on the side, near the ferret's shoulder. This does take some getting used to, and it's unlike most other types of animal harnesses. 2 fabric patterns are available, and both include attached white angel's wings. That embellishment may make it more difficult to train your ferret to use this harness, though if they've never been exposed to any others, they probably won't know any different. And finally, at number 1, we have the PERSUPER Soft Mesh Small Pet Harness. The padded nylon mesh fabric this harness is made of is light and breathable, while keeping the ferret feeling snug inside. PERSUPER's harness clasps and latches on the underside, which may take some practice with very fussy ferrets. The straps attach with both Velcro, which is adjustable, and buckle clasps. The dual closure straps help ensure your ferret is securely buckled in before you set out into the great big world, and a safety bell further enhances security. This harness wasn't made exclusively for ferrets, so some of the way it functions, such as a latch being on the underside of the belly, are a bit strange given what we know about how rascally ferrets can be. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.